The Viner installation videos are to be used exclusively to support qualified and trained skilled workers. The full quality of Viner products can only be guaranteed by those professionals. Under no circumstances should anyone untrained attempt to fit Viner products using installation videos. Welcome to Viner WGM Top Installation Instructions. What you require: 1 tape measure, 1 TX20 torque screwdriver, 1 pair of scissors, 1 set of Allen keys, 1 8mm open-ended spanner, 1 13mm open-ended spanner, 1 8mm socket spanner. You can find the following accessories in the accessories box: various sets of screws, the flat rope clamp, the anti-fail guard for the drop profile, an appropriate number of support brackets with covers for the support brackets. Screw the carriages to the support brackets. Then assemble the support brackets on the roof support. There are optional support brackets for multi-section units and height adjustable support brackets. Push the guide rails onto the support brackets and fix them. Disassemble the countersunk hex head screws on the head plates. Place the cassette on the patio roof. With constructions without any pre-assembled drop profile, the fabric is inserted into the guide rails and the cassette is attached to the guide rails. Then screw the cassette to the guide rails with the top countersunk hex head screw and the bottom grub screw. Disassemble the cover from the drop profile, then remove the safety screws for the fabric profile. Check how the rope runs at the end cap. The flat rope is then inserted into the drop profile. Now the drop profile is inserted into the guide rails. Make sure the rope runs properly. Secure the drop profile with foam blocks. The rope is tightened and the end cap is assembled. Push the drop profile towards cassette and hang the fabric in the drop profile. Screw the fabric profile to the drop profile. In the event of having to reset the clips, pre-tensioning, proceed as follows. Form 2 soft eyes on each side, a large one for pulling and a small one for attaching the rope. Make sure the clips are tight up to the origin point, then tighten both ropes and screw them tight using the rope clamp. Once they are tight, the 2 loops can be undone again and the rope will be inserted into the rope net. Generally the rope is already pre-tensioned, so all you have to do is join the 2 ropes using the rope clamp and insert them. Join the 2 ropes using the rope clamp. Then store the protruding rope with the net and cable ties in the drop profile. Check how the rope runs and remove the green tape leader. Close the drop profile with the cover. Close the drop profile with the cover. The guide profiles can then be screwed to the support brackets. Assemble the covers for the support brackets. Connect the drive to the adjustment cable and move the awning to the bottom end position. Fully retract the awning. The end position is now set. Thank you for watching. In case of difficulty, please contact our service hotline.